Let's learn sea animals. The first one is a turtle. The next animal is a dog. A dog is a farm animal. The next one is a crop. A crop is a sea animal. The next one is a deer. This is a deer. The next one is a sheep. This is a little red fish. The next one is a crop. The next one is a scarabeo. This is a rabbit. The next one is a duck. The next animal is elephant. This is a yellow fish. The next one is a puffer fish. This is a dolphin. The next one is a little green fish. This is a ladybug. The next one is a queen parrotfish. This is a lion. The next one is a horse. This is a purple fish. A butterfly.